Hey guys! Hey YouTube! Welcome back to Roma's Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how to make some pumpkin and carrot punch, Jamaican and Roma's kitchen style. This will go really well with your Sunday dinner, or this is good to go all by itself any day of the week. So if you want to see how this gets made, you know what to do. Stick around right after this intro.
Better can't cook. Ticket you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my pumpkin and carrot punch. You do not need much, as you can see. And of course, I'll be telling you what each ingredient is and how much I use as I go along. So to start, guys, you're going to cut your pumpkin and your carrot into small pieces just so they cook nicely and they do not take too long to actually cook. So to a pot, you're going to add 4 to 5 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil. Then you're going to add a cinnamon stick, and you need the cinnamon stick from the get-go to get all that cinnamony flavor in your punch from the get-go. Next, I'm going to be adding a pinch of salt. Just a pinch, guys. Then I'm going to go in with the pumpkin and the carrot pieces. Now the ratio of pumpkin to carrot is 100% up to you. I used more pumpkin than carrot for my punch. I just have 2 small carrots and I have a big piece, a really large piece of pumpkin. Now I'm just going to stir this up and I'm going to cover the pot after this, and I'm going to leave it over the medium to high heat to actually boil until the pumpkin and the carrot becomes really soft. Now this is it, guys. Really cooked, well cooked, very soft, and I'm going to leave this to cool down completely and remove the cinnamon stick. And you do not want to throw this water away because this is what you'll use to blend your pumpkin and your carrot together. So just remove the cinnamon stick and allow this to cool down really well. Now this is it, nice and cooled. I'm going to be taking some of this and I'm going to be adding it to my blender, and I'm going to be adding some more spices. So in my blender it goes, guys. You do not want to fill up your blender too much because you'll be adding the other things. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract firstly, because you know vanilla extract is a must for your punches. Next, I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and this is ground nutmeg. If you have fresh nutmeg, guys, use that instead of ground nutmeg because that will give you more flavor. And next, I'm going to be adding to this, guys, 2 teaspoons of molasses sugar. Now if you have molasses, you can just use the 2 teaspoons or 1 teaspoon of molasses. Then I'm also going to be going in with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now for my Guinness stout, guys, you can use whatever stout you have, Guinness stout or Dragon stout. I'll actually be going in with a half to 1 cup of the stout. You can use more if you want, or you can use less, but I'm telling you, this stout makes it really yummy, guys, so you want to try it. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. And guys, please note that I have more pumpkin and carrot left in the pot to be blended, so this is a sweet mixture that I'm actually blending up to mix with the rest of the pumpkin and the carrot, so don't think it's too sweet. Now I'm going to be blending this all together, blending it really nice. So you know you want to get that really smooth consistency, and it won't take long. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to get this all nicely blended because the carrot and the pumpkin is already nice and soft. Now I'm going to remove the cover from my blender. I'm going to show you the consistency, then I'm going to mix it with the rest of my carrot and pumpkin, blend it again, then I'm going to share. Now you want to serve this chill, guys, 100%. So I'm here adding it, guys, and look at how nice it looks. looking good, it's also tasting good. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notifications on. Until next video.